starting around 21 walk 2024 stepn in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $7.725 in term of its OIST rate with a value change of 59% in kind of most recent 1 hour amazingly. GMT in every practical sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $372,744.90 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,230,384, which by and large is very huge. This by and large makes stepn GMT fundamentally positioning at 127 in the digital currency market, or so they really thought. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the stepn cost expectation end of 2024, what will stepn in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2024, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Is stepn in every way that really matters wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, which for the most part is very critical? Will GMT cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, or so they in a real sense thought? These basically are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT cost essentially is supposed to in every practical sense cross an extremely normal value level of $732, the normal truly least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the especially current year ought to all things considered be $623 in a significant way. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at a really most extreme value level of $42 or 40 in an all things considered significant way. stepn GMT value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, stepn cost generally is conjecture to by and large arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $616, which especially is genuinely critical. The GMT cost could explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $843 with a kind of typical expected cost around $880.61 in a kind of significant manner. stepn GMT value estimate April 2024. For April 2024 the cost of stepn truly is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a by and large normal cost of $19.18, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $20.57 and a sort of least of $782. Which fundamentally shows that for the most part is stepn a wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is very critical. stepn value expectation May 2024. stepn cost basically is supposed to basically reach between $18.68 to $8.74 in May 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of GMT for the May for the most part remains around $9.77 stepn value forecast June 2024. stepn cost really is supposed to reach between $9.59 to $2.93 in June 2024, while the sort of typical cost of GMT for the June certainly remains around $96 stepn GMT value forecast July 2024. With respect to July 2024, stepn cost especially is figured to essentially arrive at a least cost of $111 in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.48 with the essentially normal expected cost around $2.20 in a huge manner. stepn GMT value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, stepn cost basically is figured to by and large arrive at a barely the least cost of $212 or so they generally thought. The GMT cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $3,609 with a typical expected cost around $348 in an unobtrusive manner. stepn value estimate September 2024. In September 2024 the cost of stepn really is supposed to generally be at around an exceptionally least of $346, which essentially is very critical. stepn cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $776 with the very normal cost of $3,482 in USD, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. stepn value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024 the cost of stepn sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around a really least of $3,4043, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. stepn cost can especially arrive at an especially limit of $3.915 with the exceptionally normal cost of $5.52 in USD in an unobtrusive way. GMT value estimate November 2024. The stepn conjecture for November 2024 expects that the GMT may truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $40.58 with a fundamentally least cost of around $5 to 22 in a kind of significant manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value GMT can explicitly stretch around $14,658 for November, which especially is genuinely critical. Stepn value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the kind of greatest cost for stepn could basically stretch around $4240, which explicitly shows that stepn GMT value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, stepn cost generally is estimate to sort of arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $2 to 12, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in December 2024 in a real sense is $3.60 to 23 with a typical cost of $732, exhibiting how stepn GMT value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, stepn cost in every practical sense is figured to essentially arrive at in a real sense, the most reduced cost of $2 12 fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Stepn most certainly passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been especially diminished by 0.5% in its by and large current worth. Assuming we especially think about the truly current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap is additionally down. Stepn certainly is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The GMT essentially is down to nearly 7-12% in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that stepn cost can, for the most part, arrive at an especially limit of $776 with the typical cost of $24.82 in USD, or so they generally thought. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past by and large couple of days. The coin could essentially have kind of solid basics in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, sort of additional appearance how stepn value expectation May 2024. Stepn cost for the most part is supposed to truly reach between $1.868 to $174 in May 2024, while the truly normal cost of GMT for the May truly remains around $9.277 stepn value forecast June 2024. Stepn cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly reach between $1.959 to $2.93 in June 2024, while the typical cost of GMT for the June basically remains around $1.96 stepn GMT value forecast July 2024. Concerning July 2024, stepn cost generally is conjectured to especially arrive at an in every way that really matters least cost of $1.11 in a sort of enormous manner. Stepn value gauge 2024 facts. What will explicitly be stepn worth in 2024 in an extremely significant manner? The GMT cost essentially is gauged to by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $1.42 to 40 with especially least cost of $623